Wow. That didn't provoke his brother.
Yeah.
He didn't even tell us anything, but he's really teased.
New 90
Sign language.
That talk that you're supposed to talk, they'll talk to me. And then people know what it means to be consistent in your action.
I think they know where it is.
I'll just report it there.
Oh my God. People is not talking to us. People is not talking to us, guys. Which one be shit?
Guys, I don't think you're listening to me. There is a ninja with an announcement saying go to the pool party now.
I'm tired.